Struggling with inconsistent maintenance tasks and lost productivity? In today's fast-paced environment, manual checklists can slow operations, introduce errors, and put compliance at risk. With DreamzCMMS AI, you can eliminate those inefficiencies in seconds. Our AI-powered checklist generator lets you instantly create smart, tailored checklists. Just describe your need, for example, like AC repair checklist. And our intelligent AI engine takes care of the rest, generating detailed, actionable tasks, such as checking power, cleaning filters, and inspecting leaks. It's fast, accurate, and fully customizable. Once created, your checklist seamlessly integrates into work orders. Assign it to technicians, set schedules, and view everything directly from our mobile app, ensuring accountability and real-time updates from the field. No more guesswork, no more missed steps. Just faster workflows, better compliance, and smarter maintenance. Simplify, automate, and succeed with DreamzCMMS.